Something out of the ordinary has been revealed today. The entire Shiba Inu development team turned the tables on each other. At this point, we may have the answers. Outside experts are now intervening. Shiba Inu is set for a huge surprise next week. For the asking price, this might alter the game completely. Tell me what's going on. And I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice. The Shiba Inu market had some volatility today, falling in a sharp reversal that surprised several investors. But you know what? That plunge was brief. Shiba Inu, like a real powerhouse, showed how strong this momentum is by bouncing back throughout the day. And now the fun part begins. This week has been absolutely remarkable when seen in the broader context. Shiba Inu is showing off its remarkable increase, which has investors excited despite that little setback. How is the vibe around here? Unadulterated power. Not only are holders confident, they're ecstatic. The idea that Shiba Inu is more than a pump-and-dump cryptocurrency is gaining traction. It's developing into something substantially larger. The focus is shifting from the daily charts to the future. This is the whale's game. Retail investors, however, are steadfast in their belief that this trip will not soon end. That type of tenacity is what continues showing that Shiba Inus are worth more than their hype. Whenever it falls, it always recovers faster. That is why a lot of people think the rally is only beginning. Things are going to get even more out of hand from here. It wasn't simply a good day for Shiba Inus. Its performance was better than those of the major cryptocurrency firms. It's true that this occurred throughout the time that Bitcoin and Ethereum were functioning. Once again, the Shiba Inu proved it is a formidable opponent by stealing the show. Shiba Inu had a greater proportion of holders who held on for the long haul than Ethereum and Bitcoin combined. Wow, that's fantastic. The majority of Shiba Inu holders aren't in it for the fast profits according to on-chain data. They plan to stay for the duration. They have faith in the future and the vision, and they are refusing to let go. Bitcoin has been the undisputed leader of the cryptocurrency industry for quite some time, and the majority of assets have followed suit. The Shiba Inu, however, is beginning to defy convention. Taking advantage of a trend isn't enough. It's forging its own unique route. There is no denying the data. Even though the market has been unpredictable for the past year, a large part of Shiba Inu holders have remained steadfast. Which percentage is it? In fact, it's expanding. The number of people holding Shiba Inus continues to rise, in contrast to Ethereum's declining long-term holder count. A level of commitment like that speaks volumes. It's assurance, not mere rhetoric. It's the conviction that this token's potential is far greater than anything anyone has anticipated. A Shiba Inu isn't here to mess around, it's here to rule. Allow me to explain. To you it may sound completely insane, but bear with me. A further bizarre event occurred earlier today. The entire community is talking over the huge bombshells dropped by the Shiba Inu team. It has been quite some time since Satoshi Kusama last appeared on social media in any capacity. Many theories were proposed as a result of his disappearance. Is he somewhere? Who is he occupied with? Is a significant event approaching? The Shiba Inu development team appears to have finally put the community's concerns to rest today. Interested in the comprehensive details? Stay tuned to the very end of the video because I'll be explaining everything in detail later on. Allow me to play this wild forecast by one analyst first. A leading industry expert has recently made a huge forecast regarding Shiba Inus. Things are going to get insane if this plays out. This analyst predicts that Shiba Inu could experience its greatest level of performance since December of last year, suggesting that it is about to have a breakthrough. And why? Prices have been held down for months by a gigantic descending channel, and now it is poised to give way. We know from past experience that prices tend to skyrocket when that occurs. It seems like Shiba Inu has been switching things up as of late. We haven't seen this kind of sustained rise in months, and it turned bullish after battling with some bearish momentum. Analysts have been eagerly anticipating that change in momentum. Shiba Inu is pushing up into the upper resistance of this long-term pattern, as one prominent market observer pointed out, indicating substantial strength in the price movement on the charts. A huge shift could occur if it succeeds. Additionally, consider this. The breakout has already occurred, according to another analyst. They have confirmed that Shiba Inu has left its falling wedge pattern, and now that volume is increasing, they anticipate rapid acceleration. If Shiba Inu maintains its closing price above important moving averages, it may experience a significant surge to levels not seen for a long time, according to some analysts. This is not merely empty rhetoric. Momentum is growing, technical indications are converging, and market confidence is skyrocketing. We may be in for a big run that brings Shiba Inu back into the limelight if this breakout works out as predicted. And now for something that could really amp up the excitement of this Shiba Inu rally. People in the community have been wondering what happened to the enigmatic lead developer, Satoshi Kusama, since he has been silent on social media for some time. Is he somewhere? How is everything happening in the background? Some people even began to fret, but at least we know what's going on now. Vet Kusama, an important member of the Shiba Inu squad, has just intervened to set the record straight. In fact, he went so far as to say that everything is okay. He assures us that there is zero cause for alarm because everything is proceeding according to schedule. Even if Satoshi isn't online, nothing has halted the behind-the-scenes action. Something major seems to be happening, in fact. By tagging Satoshi and his right-hand developer Calderia, Vet Kusama attempted to gain permission to disclose some information to the Shiba Inu community. The fact that they didn't answer further shrouds the situation in obscurity. Finally, we have Lucy, who spearheads Shiba Inu's social media efforts. She interjected with her own subtle hint, suggesting that Satoshi could be occupied with attempts to expand the Shibarium environment. In fact, she ran off to create something revolutionary after responding to a mysterious post that featured a cloaked figure with a Shiba Inu head. Is that her reply? An irreverent, "How about we grab a cup of coffee and chat first?" tagged directly to Satoshi. Such a remark is typical of those that appear harmless on the surface but are actually laden with hidden meaning. It seems like a major development is underway, and we could be in for some shocking news when Satoshi makes his long-awaited return. Things are about to get interesting from here on out. If this plays out, and Satoshi returns with a big upgrade, Shiba Inu could experience another rapid rally. Plus, it certainly wouldn't be unprecedented. It's nothing new. The market has responded quickly to every major news that Satoshi has made. There is a meteoric rise in both prices and buzz. The world has come to understand that Shiba Inu is more than a meme coin. An uprising. What if this uprising gains traction though? It is possible that we are observing something enormous. Perhaps it will reach yet another record high. Those holders who have been holding on for the long haul, believing in the idea, would be hit particularly hard by that. That's a game changer. Those who persisted during the lean times, the downturns and adjustments, may at long last witness the greatest possible return on their investment. If there's one thing we can learn from the past, it's that the market pays attention whenever Satoshi talks. To be more precise, this may all transpire far more rapidly than anticipated. Shiba Inu may be preparing for a huge 12x rise, according to analysts. That forecast is looking more plausible by the day according to the statistics. The ecosystem's decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, has been experiencing explosive growth. As more and more individuals join the ecosystem, trading volume, total value locked, and liquidity pools are all on the rise. This is not merely empty rhetoric. Demand for Shiba Inu is skyrocketing, as seen by on-chain activity. Additionally, there are fewer tokens to purchase as exchange reserves continue to dry up. A classic supply squeeze recipe would be that. As a result, market prices might fluctuate rapidly. Plus, experts have noticed something much more significant.